On July 13th, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services released guidance to states that outline health coverage options for certain Ukrainian nationals. The department said they are providing support and humanitarian relief to Ukrainians who have been displaced. For those that flee to the United States, they may be granted a variety of lawful non-citizen statuses, and that could be anything from parolee, temporary protected status, immigrant and non-immigrant visas, and refugee or asylee status. Now, based on these immigration status types, most Ukrainian nationals arriving in the United States are eligible for health insurance. That might include Medicaid, the Children's Health Insurance Program, the private health insurance marketplace, HealthCare.gov, refugee medical assistance, and more. Eligibility for each coverage program depends on the individual and the state in which they reside. To help states in their eligibility determinations, therefore, the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services released an updated fact sheet that reflects the current federal law. They add that the fact sheet will be updated if there are any legislative changes. And they add that asterisk because we've already seen legislative changes. It was back in May that Congress passed the additional Ukraine Supplemental Appropriations Act of 2022, which made changes to the status of Ukrainians entering the United States. The fact sheet itself walks through each immigration status, how to verify status, some guidance for state, especially Medicaid agencies, and guidance on situations like people moving from state to state once they've arrived in the United States. They also talk about securing financial assistance in the health insurance marketplace, HealthCare.gov. You can review that fact sheet. We link to it in the description below.